How to sign up and create a Polybuzz.ai account. First of all, open the app and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will see the login or sign up button on the next screen, so go ahead and tap on it. You can quickly sign up using your Google account by tapping the Continue with Google button and allowing the necessary permissions. If you prefer, you can also register using your email address. Here I will choose the email option. Enter your email and tap the Next button to continue. Check your Gmail inbox for the verification code and enter it in the app to confirm your email. Once the code is accepted, your account will be successfully created. Next, fill in your username, gender, birthday and a short bio, then tap the Get Started button to complete your profile setup. After your profile is ready, you can create your own AI characters or chat with the existing ones to start your experience. Now you know how to sign up and create a Polybuzz.ai account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.